biggest one that I see is that their collar is not pressed well. So perhaps they washed it and they didn't iron it. So it's really important to get the stitching that's along the edge of your collar and down the front of your shirt. You want it as flat as possible, because if you don't have it flat, it really looks like you don't care. Then maybe you shouldn't be wearing that type of shirt. Maybe you should be wearing a knit shirt. By having that pressed really, really well, it looks like you care. It's clean. Also, you want to make sure that your button isn't buttoned too low, ideally above your chest hair, either the first button or sometimes the second button. It depends how much hair you also have on your chest and how formal or casual or relaxed the event or gathering that you're participating in. The other thing is, one of the questions I hear all the time is, should I roll my sleeves up? When should I roll my sleeves up? And how high should I roll my sleeves? If you're in a more formal setting, you definitely want to keep it buttoned all the way down. If you're in a slightly more relaxed setting, flip it up, kind of roll it up a little bit. If you're in a super relaxed, super casual setting that you're actually wearing your button shirt as a casual shirt, you could even roll it up to your elbow. Primarily, it's what you see from your chest up. That's the most important thing, that you want to look good when you're wearing a dress shirt or a button front shirt.